Well, you guys, now this is something I would like to show you guys because, as you know, it's part of my recovery and I'm documenting my whole recovery and only posting half of it. Because it's sort of like I share with you guys, but some of the things are private and I do have the right to my own privacy. You only get to see some of the struggles, some of the fun stuff, and some of the things. And this is one of them. Look at all those plants. Yo, they are so huge. I'm up close by one of them. And this is how it looks like. This is a mean mother cracker. I'm gonna show you. Let me just move a little bit further and get myself out of the way. I think it's brilliant. It's beautiful. I like this one the most though. I like this one the most. You know why I like it? Because it has a red flag right over there. That's why I like it. But yeah, this is at the museum in Centurion, Pretoria, South Africa. And it's very beautiful. I am so glad to see this. Look at this thing, guys. Just imagine if this thing shoot you. I don't think there'd be anything left. Look at this. Look at this man-made machine. Do you see that? Tell me if a woman could build this. And how long it will take them to build it versus a man. I think men has more power than us. And we should stop being delusional because there are some things that we will never be able to do that men can do. Because they are built for it. It's in their genes. So it's just my perspective. So please don't bite my head off. But I do think sometimes there's things that women can't be able or will never be able to achieve. Yes, they can achieve things that men are doing, but it takes them twice as long. But anyway, in any way, guys, I'm not going to record any further because I've got a huge migraine and I am currently busy putting all of my energy, effort, and brains into my health and my recovery because I do really want to recover and I do really feel sick sometimes. So I don't always make the best videos, but once I am healed, if it's God's will, and I get healed, I will most certainly make more better content for you guys to watch. But cheers for now. Salute. Salute my bro.